Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Mix and Bake Online School. I'm Ikeolu Biobako. In this class, we will be showing you how to design a cake. There are so many different designs of a cake, but this particular one, interesting one, designing a cake with sugar, paper, sunflower, and some fluttering, pretty, beautiful butterflies. Remember, you need to give your cake a lovely finishing to make it presentable to your customers, audience, whatever. It could be a celebration cake, birthday cake. You know, I like this cake because it's versatile. You can use it for a wedding cake, all right? So I want you to relax again, sit down, anywhere. That's why I like online classes. I can take it anywhere. So who knows, you may just be in the car, I don't know. Just relax. Don't let anything distract you. I want you to relax, sit down and watch the step-by-step of putting the whole finishing together. Just in case you are clicking on this class and you don't know how one or two of the things were created, you need to go back to some other online classes, how we showed you how to do the sunflower, the fondant, the covering of the cake. So don't jump the gun. Start from the other side. All right then, see you soon. All right then, today I just want to show you 3 techniques. Very simple, very easy. The butterfly, which is in one of the episodes or one of the lessons. All right, I just want to show you how to create that butterfly. Now on the table, I have a few things I'm going to use. Now this is a finished cake, a finished cake design. I'm just going to show you how to place the butterflies on them, just in case you are short for time and you need something quick to add to your cake. Now, to make the butterfly, you will need a punch, a butterfly punch. Don't worry, you'll be able to download where you can get punch from anywhere across the world, wherever you are. All right, that's a good thing about online classes. You can pause me, you can rewind me, you can fast forward me. Okay, you learn at your pace and you learn in your space. You are not confined to a classroom environment. You learn at your timing. Anyway, now we need the paper, the sugar paper. Again, you'll be able to download where you can get it to buy. All right, so basically it's quite easy. All you do is you place your paper inside the punch. Very easy. Can you see? This is the punch, and you know, each punch you always have the design of what the punch looks like and what it will bring out. Okay, so I just, very easy, very simple, I press. Can you see that? Easy does it. And that is our butterfly. Whoa, 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 whoa. And the next thing I will do is just bend it like a butterfly that has wings. I have with me here glucose, is what I'm going to use to stick the butterflies to my cake. Now you have other things you can use. You can use shortening. An alternative or a substitute to glucose is corn syrup. In case you are in a part where you can't get glucose, it's usually sold in confectioner's shop and it's usually used in mixing fondant. All right, it's a sticky substance used in mixing fondant. Can you see? It goes all sticky. All right, so I place this on it and I'm using it because it's edible. I'm not going to use the glue gun. That is strictly for my paper. All right, so just watch how I'm going to do this. After placing a dot of glucose or corn syrup on the butterfly, I stick. All right, and remember, you can use any color. It just depends on your design and color scheme. So some glucose, and I stayed. Beautiful. And I put the wings together, okay? So, and you actually have these punches coming in different designs. It doesn't have to be butterfly. You have so many different designs. Just download all addresses where you can get the punches from online. Okay, beautiful, isn't it? Okay, can you see that? That's pretty, isn't it? And depending on you, you can decide to use it on the base of the cake, okay? Like in between, like this. So make sure there is a symmetry in your arrangement. So I'll just do this for the front side only. Okay, so as you can see, we're done with our butterflies. And of course, you can use any color you want to use. And of course, you may be wondering, how did I get the rose and how did I get the side designs? Just check out any other lesson on our online school. All the designs and how to get them is there. This class is just for you to know how to do the butterfly. All right, now,